Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can replace an image in Figma. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to figma.com and log in to your Figma account. Once logged in, you can either open a new design, a new Figma jam by clicking right here on these choices above, or you can click on an existing project that you've already been working on. For this video, I am gonna choose this untitled project where I prepared a sample image for this video. Now, as you can see, I have this image right here. Now, how can we replace this? First, we're gonna click on the image to select the layer we want to change. And then, on the right panel, as you can see, we're gonna scroll down until we see this fill right here. And then, you should see a small image thumbnail. You should click on it. After that, you're gonna click on Choose Image button or the folder icon from here. After that, you're gonna click right here to upload from computer and choose another image that would be uploaded on your design. And then, would access your computer. So I'm gonna choose this for this video. Open. And as simple as that, it has been replaced automatically. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!